The Chancellor of Muni University, who doubles as former Archbishop Church of Uganda, His Grace Dr. Luke Orombi, has called for peaceful coexistence among different tribes living in the West Nile region. He made this appeal this morning during the swearing-in of new leaders of Lango West Nile communities held in Gulf Apartment, Nebi. While giving his sermon, the man of God encouraged the communities to promote unity and cooperation. He noted that unity can help address common challenges and foster development in the region.
But I thank God that the Alur people and the Langi people get along so well. So well. You are very comfortable here in our place, and it is true. You will even be comfortable all the time for some good reasons. Because I, as Orombi, now the former Archbishop, started my career in Lira as a primary school teacher in Ambalal Primary School in Lira. I taught for 4 years there. Some of the people I taught are now leaders who are old enough. I also had my calling to become a priest from Lira. So my professional life started in Lira. My calling to priesthood also starting from Lira. And the Langi people who know me say these words: you are a missionary in Nebi, but the son of Lango.
Robert Abak, resident district commissioner Nebi and a member of Lango community in the West Nile region, said unity can promote understanding and cooperation among community members, reducing conflicts and tensions.
There are these members of Lango community who do not even speak Alu, do not even understand Lango, but they are members of Lango community. We have some of our spouses from Western Uganda, from Central, from Karamoja. So what we are looking at is not unity of convenience, but unity of purpose. We want people who can steer this community and this greater lowland to a higher height. Not just to remain, say, Toko identity. That's not where we are. We are slightly beyond that.
Verity Ajwang, Chief Administrative Officer Nebi District, asserted that a united community can work together to develop economic opportunities, improve infrastructure, and attract investments.
But I have found John and Nebi are very, very pleasant people. I've never felt insecure. I've never felt at risk. I don't know if it has everything to do with my brother Abak. Whether I would feel insecure, but Nebi is such a beautiful place.
Jimmy Ogwang, the new chairperson Lango West Nile community, pledged for transparency leadership and is optimistic that unity can help preserve cultural heritage and promote the community's identity.
Secondly, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the outgoing executives of Lango Community Nebi for your exceptional leadership and dedication. During your tenure, you were able to implement key important projects and initiatives which has actually had a much profound impact both on the society and on Lango Community Nebi. Your strategic thinking and collaborative approach have been so much instrumental in actually ensuring that Lango Community Nebi is what it is today. We thank you so much and wish you a happy retirement. Meanwhile, we always will come to you to support us whenever need be.
Meanwhile, His Worship Cyrus Senauga, Nebi Chief Magistrate, who was the guest of honor, said organizing such event can celebrate the community's diversity and promote cultural exchange, which help to build bridges between different groups in the region.
We normally take oath when someone's coming to give evidence. And those who choose to take oath, they get cross-examined. But we get cases of those who decline to take oath. And when they don't take oath, we don't cross-examine them. Because by running away from taking oath, they are implying that what we are saying is not necessarily true. So why waste time cross-examining them?
And by promoting unity, the Lango and West Nile communities can work together to address common challenges and achieve their goals.